happy to see it. It went behind the hill. Oh, there it is, there it is. I think they dumped the water on it.
No.
That's crazy.
Where are they going for reef?
Yo, it's flying so close.
Dude, it looks like the bay is open.
You think?
No, it's got something red on it.
I think that's the paint.
No, like a red thing like hanging under it.
Maybe they have several payloads. Yeah, they're coming back around on the fire. Let's see. Oh, they're going behind the hill again. Yeah, I guess they're probably dropping water on it. We can't really see it from over here.